Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen how we can remove items from the list. So in today's video we are going to see how we can sort list. Okay. So first I will just create one list. So here let's talk about sorting first before creating the list. So why do we use sorting and what is sorting? So we use sorting to arrange our list alphanumerically or ascending or descending order. Okay, so by default list will sort items according to alphanumeric or uh, ascending order. Okay, so first I am creating list for with fruit names. So here I will say banana, then I will say coconut, then I will say apple. Okay, now as you can see I have this list in descending order. Okay, like it is fully messed up, it is not in descending order also. So here if I say print, okay, and here first I will say a dot sort, okay, and I will print a over here and I run this. Okay, so this is capital, so it is taking first. Okay, so I'll just run again. Now you can see it has arranged according to alphabets. Okay, so if I do apple over here and capital C over here and capital B over here, then it will take according to that. Okay, so if you are adding any word which first letter is capital, then it will take first and then it will move accordingly. Okay, so this arranged in ascending order. Now if you want to uh, sort this same list in descending order, then you can pass reverse over here. So here I will say reverse equals to true. Okay, now this will do ascending order. You can see coconut, banana and apple. Okay, let's take example of numbers. B equals to, I'll say 2, 1, 5, 4, 8, 3 and 3. Okay, now these numbers are not in order. So if I say print B, I will just comment this much. Okay, and here I will write B dot sort, and if I run this, then you can see I got 1 2 3 3 4 5 8. Okay, so this is in ascending order, and same way I can do reverse and it will start from 8 5 4 3 3 2 1. Okay, so this is known as sorting. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in next video we are going to see that how we can copy list. Okay, so I am keeping short videos just to not to confuse you guys, and it will not be boring also. Okay, so see you next video. Thank you.